what about building materials? I believe President Marcos has mentioned na kasama yon sa mga pinananawagan ng government for our mga kababayan so na affected. Is that under the purview of the DSWD as well? Because our reporters mentioned nandun din daw yung DSUD. So in terms of sino po yung tatanungin namin kung nakadating na ba yung mga building materials, etc.?
Well, yung pong emergency shelter assistance, that used to be with the department, but it's now with the DSUD. But of course, we understand that they're still doing some activities or they're facilitating the implementation of their program. But for the meantime, the DSWD will implement the emergency shelter assistance so that these cash transfers may be used to purchase materials that would help those affected to rebuild their houses, rebuild their livelihoods that were also destroyed by the disasters, and so many other activities that they may deem so. Again, this emergency cash transfers aim to contribute in restoring the normal psychosocial functioning of those who have been affected by these disasters.
Asek, I understand, ang kasama sa mga priorities din ng DSWD is to put up a tent city sa Cebu to provide temporary shelter. How soon can we expect these to be put up? At anong klaseng mga tent po yan? Kasi ngayon po, yung mga tent nila ay parang mga privacy tents pa lang.
Yes, DSWD has actually released na 95 family tents. Yung puti na mga tents na nakikita nyo po ngayon na nakaset up dyan sa Bugog with the DSWD markings. On the tent city, I understand that the DSUD and the other government agencies will be working on this. But again, DSWD will be assisting by providing ito po muna mga tents that we have in our warehouses while we're waiting for the other agencies to set up yun nga pong na-commit na mga evacuation areas.